Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the Taptic Engine on the iPhone 14. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. On the iPhone 14, remove the back cover to access the internal parts. First, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some devices may need extra heating. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom side. Once there is a gap, carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the back cover is free, carefully lift from left to right. Please note that the back cover is still connected to the device by the wireless charging flex cable. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing the two screws. And then, remove the wireless charging connector shield by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the battery connector, followed by the wireless charging connector. You can now fully remove the back cover from the device. Next, remove the faulty vibrator motor from the device. First, remove the bracket by adding the two screws. Next, disconnect the plug and undo the screw to remove the Taptic Engine motor. Next, place the new Taptic Engine on the body and secure the plug. And then secure two screws with the bracket. And also the screw at the bottom. Next, install the rear cover to the body. First, apply new pre-cut back cover adhesive around the frame. If adhesive not available, you can use B7000 glue around the edges. Please note this adhesive does not guarantee any waterproofing. Next, reconnect the wireless charging plug and the battery plug. Next, install the top shield by adding one screw and the battery shield by adding the two screws. Next, carefully align the back glass with the frame and lower it straight down into position. Gently snap the back cover into the frame and apply even pressure around all edges to ensure proper seal. And also add two screws to the bottom. Finally, use bonding clips to secure the back cover. Hold the back cover in place until the adhesive fully sets. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.